How old do you have to be to use Shopify? Hi guys, in this video, I'll tell you how old you need to be in order to use Shopify. So let's get into it. So I'm sure you pretty much know the answer, or if not, you're still wondering how old the minimum age is required in Shopify. Well, the answer is very simple. If you come over here onto their community guidelines, all right, over here, as you can see, starting a Shopify while being under 18. And this guy over here is currently saying that he is 17 and he wants to run a Shopify merchandise, but he is asking, do I have to be 18 to do it? I have parents' permission to make a shop. So all of that. And then down below, Iris from Shopify has answered that question, and it says that in the terms of conditions, they don't permit the use of their platform to the account owner when an account owner is under 18, regardless of what circumstances. You can only run a Shopify store when you turn 18 or set the store ownership to an adult. So that is how you end. But you can also have somebody over 18 create a store on your behalf and add you as a staff member. So that is a workaround. So you can do that if you're under 18. And then once you have, turned 18, then you can just use the transfer ownership to yourself, have your parents or the adult that you have asked to create the store for you transfer the ownership to yourself. So that is a workaround if you want to do that. So yeah, that is it. You have to be at least 18 in order to use Shopify. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.